So guys, as you guys can see, we have opened another account, but we are placing our modifying so that you can place our stop losses. Although we want to grow this account, but we need to practice risk management to again. All right, so I'm just placing my stop losses. All right, so we are there. So that is how all this thing is going. So I'll be placing my stop losses. All right, I'm placing my stop losses one after the other, one after the other. That is what I want to do. All right, because these stop losses, and you can see we are in red. Very soon we go to blues. All right, so let me place my stop losses first. In fact, I don't mind placing take profit. I don't do that one because I want profit. All right, I want profits, but the losses that I don't want. I want profit, the losses that I don't want. As you can see now, we are in blues. Let's see how long it will take us. So we need to take this to, let's say, $100. If we're able to get the trace, we need to take this to $100. So guys, we are back to red again. All right, so that is how the market is. The market doesn't go straight forward like that. All right, doesn't go straight forward like that. That's why you need to put your stop losses. You need to make sure that you have stop losses when you are trading. All right, so we are still on it. We are there. All right, I'm putting my stop losses one after the other, one after the other. Putting my stop losses one after the other. I'm just modifying and putting my stop losses now. So let's wait and see what will happen next. All right, let's wait and see what will happen next. Whilst we are putting our stop losses, let's wait and see what will happen next. You see, so we are just on it. We are just on it. I know there is the method of growing a smaller account, so we don't hold for long. You understand? You need to be closing and entering, so that you can take the account to the next level within some few minutes. All right. So, but let's see. Let me see. All my stop losses. Okay, this one has a stop loss. This one to stop loss. This one to set. This one to set. This one to set. You need to make sure that this one is not set. You understand? You need to make sure that you check to see other your stop losses are what. Okay. Other you have set all your stop losses, because that one is very, very important. All right, and just leave your profits to open. All right, just leave your profits to open. So let's see what the ones that we didn't have a stop loss, then we can modify and put our stop loss. All right, so looking at it, so far stop losses has been put here. We don't have a stop loss. All right, because the positions are plenty, we have opened a many positions, so you just need to make sure that you fluid one after the other to make sure that all your stop losses are what have been put. All right, so this is how we'll be doing. I will be putting this video on YouTube. All right, so make sure you give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop an interesting video. All right, and then more educative video is coming on my YouTube channel. So just make sure that if you are new to my channel, just make sure that you click on the subscribe button, so anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Make sure that you press the what. So as you can see, all our stop losses are being set. All right, we have set all our stop losses here. So now we leave the what, the trade to what, to run. All right, we leave the trade to run. All of us will be looking at this. All right, you'll be seeing this as I do. So I've put all my stop losses, and then now what we'll be doing is that we'll wait patiently. All right, we'll wait patiently to see how price what, how price will then what, will then react. All right, so that's it. So whilst we are waiting patiently, let's see what will happen. What will happen next? All right, this is about 5 minutes. All right, it's our 5 minutes. So we'll be waiting and then looking on the chart. You can see there is the chart. All right, and then this chart, in fact, we have taken it since last week, and then we keep on profiting from this from last week on this one, on this chart. So you can see the high probability that the market is shooting up is what is high. You understand? So you can see in here. Let me take you through something here. You can see price has what, has taken off liquidities here. Let me show you. Let me show you here. Okay, you can see here, this here has been what has been grabbed. You see, so this liquidity has been swept all. That give us, you see, that give us this buying pressure. See, price will be pushing to the what, to the upside. All right, price will be pushing massively to the upside. So those who are in my mentees know what this thing means. So my mentees know what this means. All right, they know what here means. So if they are to take a trade, they will not think twice and take, as if I'm to take a trade, I'll not think twice and take this trade, because we actually know what it means. All right. So if I'm to take a trade, I don't think twice and take this what, these positions. So let's move to the lower time frame. My maintains know the reason why we moved to the lower time frames to check. They know the reason why we moved back to the lower time frame here to check. So they know, my mentees know. So my mentees, this is fractional nature, as you guys know. So that's it. And then you can see price, the market is what moves from this one, from this down, and now creating this what, now creating this moves. All right, now creating these moves. So we just tap on patiently to wait and see. As you can see, price has opened 15-minute bullish candle. So what we are now waiting to see here, so to have a fair move or a fast move from the market, is if we see this structure. You see here, if we see it broken, so this rejection part you can see here. All right, if we see this rejection part broken, all right, my mentees know what the type of break that we are looking up to. All right, so that's it. So if you see here broken, that is when you have a free trade. You can see price is what, price is moving to the upside, so it is rejecting up there again. So we just want price to break that particular level and close above it. So the candlestick should close above it. If the candlestick close above it, then we'll not have this what, will not have the massive push to the upside. Boom. You understand? We not get this massive push to the upside, because here has tend to be what, has tend to be a barrier. That particular place has tend to be what, a barrier for this price to be rejecting over there. So we are waiting for price to close beneath it. All right, we are waiting price to close beneath it with a candlestick. So the candlestick needs to close beneath that particular level, that rejecting level. So we have been growing this account. All right, we have been growing this account. This is a smaller account which have been growing. It was $24, which we have been growing together, me plus my team. So give them an update anytime at all right. So guys, just follow up, and then don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell. All right, so you'll be the first person to watch my video anytime I drop one. All right, so as I was telling you, you see, that's a barrier. So price is what is suffering to break it, because there is a much rejection in that particular place. Selling pressure wants to pop inside, but we knowing what we are doing, we knowing what we are doing, we are holding this bias needs to what, bias needs to break this barrier. All right, if bias breaks this barrier, then we now have all our way to the or to the upside. All right, so that is why we are really buying this one, this pair. So there's no fear, there's no anything. Just make sure that you know what you are doing, then you keep focusing. All right, so guys, that is it. We are still waiting, and then we move to the 4 hour time frame. In fact, my mentees know the reason why we move up and down to the lower time frame to the higher time frame. All right, so moving to a lower time frame, let me just give you a tip here. Moving to a lower time frame is just to give you the what just to tell you how price is really doing the lower time frame. The movement, the noise that this price is making, either been um confirmed to you that you still have a move in future. You understand? The high time frame here give you the confidence and give you the master the overall trend and give you the true character of the trend and the true character of what will be happening. Okay, so guys, just keep watching on this. I will be back soon. I'll be back soon. So I will not post this video. I'll let it run. Just watch the chat. All right, just watch the chat. Let it go. Let it go. Then start covering forex, and don't forget to check in the description. All right, in the description, I will put in a link below. That is our traders chat room community, free chat room community. Just click on the one. Just click on the community, and then just click on the community. And any question that you have concerning trading, you put it in there, and then you see that all your questions will be answered. And also, day in day out chart analysis, you can put it in there to see to if there is correction for us to tell you, you get it. So this is very very important. All right, so guys, check in the description and join our traders chat room community. Yeah, hello guys. I'm back again, and then this is how you see how price is doing in here. You see price has rejected, move above our entry level. So let's move back to the lower time frame and see how our price did. See guys, see the level that I told you that we want price to break. See what price has that price has broken above it with a massive candle. You understand now, guys? See, we are in massive blues. All right. So as I tell you that, then we are here to what, to just build up this or this. You can see I told you guys that this was a barrier. All right, this was a barrier. So if price really move above this, we are going to be in what, in massive and massive profit. All right, so guys, look at here and see what we'll be doing here. You see, these are blues, these are blues, and these are blues. So you want price to what, to move and move and move. All right, so we are just waiting patiently, but what we are waiting is that we want price to what, to close above this barrier. All right, like the candlestick should close above it. All right, that is it. Once, not this rejecting. All right, we want the candlestick to close above it. All right, so if the candlestick close above this barrier, then we now have a clear move in the market. We now have a clear move here. All right, so let's see, we'll be closing positions here. That's here, we just want to what, to grow this hour, to grow this account, and then I'll be closing it on my PC, just to give me a fast closing, just to give me a fast closing. All right, because I want to close it fast. You understand, guys? And this is how we want to grow the account, so we don't want to be this. And uh you understand, we have taken it to what, to another $48. All right, to another $48. And you know what we'll be doing? We'll be entering another position with this same candle. You understand? You see half price has what, has even moved down. So we'll be entering positions again. My mentees will understand the reason why we'll be entering position again and why we have closed it. My mentees will understand. This is the fractional nature. This is the fractional nature. All right. This is the fractional nature of price. So guys, this is just a tip. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Also click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. Love you guys. This is Acount Forex.